Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Soul. Here I'm going to unbox my parcel from purple.com. I have ordered essential oil, that's lavender essential oil. So let's see. Okay, so it's like this. It came inside the bubble wrap. So let's open it. This is my lavender essential oil. That's from brand Good Vibes, and it's of 165 rupees, and this is exclusively available on Purple, and the offer is going on for Good Vibe brand products that you'll get a free shipping. Okay, so let's open it. It's again in a plastic wrapping, so let's open it. So the bottle is like this is a 10 ml product. It smells just amazing, and as you all know, essential oil, there are so many uses of essential oil. I'll be sharing how to use this essential oil in my coming up video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe, hit like if you like this video, and I'll share the link of this product in the description box. Okay friends, bye.